Is your home safe? How do you know? I have a few statistics that I want to share with you. Out of 130 million homes in the US, 30 million have defective heating, plumbing, or electrical systems. 12 million have problems with water leaks. 4 million have experienced mold problems within the last year, and 7 million have serious damage to their roof. None of these problems were discovered until there was a home inspection, which typically doesn't take place until a home is in escrow and you're going to have a new buyer. I'm David with Insideout Home Inspection. I've been in thousands of homes in the greater Sacramento region and consistently surprised at the safety issues that I find. Now bear in mind, people have been living in these homes for years, and there could have been safety hazards that they've been living with and subjecting their family to. These problems are not just limited to older homes. We have found faulty construction and installation in brand new homes. If you have been living in your home for more than 5 years, consider having a home inspection. Materials, components, they all degrade over time. And unless if you're climbing up in the attic, in the crawl space, and around the house, looking up at the eaves on a regular basis, there may be conditions that are subjecting your family to unhealthy situations. Having a certified home inspector go through your house can keep you assured that your family is safe. Our detailed reports include pictures and easy to understand comments. Furthermore, our report is a perfect checklist for you to keep your house properly maintained.